Salut, my brothers. So today I'm going to teach you some Fonsoa. So today I'm going to introduce you to a lady called Lutecia. Lutecia is a subsidiary for a French company called the Renault. So come with me, let me show you something about the Renault. So these are the keys to entering into Lutecia's heart. Huh? Never seen such a key before. And then let me show you how you walk around with this. So this is how you get into Lutecia's heart. So you insert it like that. Then when you insert it, does that. Then another amazing things about this Renault Trophy RS, Lutecia RS, you don't even need to press the brake for you to start it when the key is on. So you see where my legs are, then you come here. This is where you start up from. So then comes with paddle shifters. Obviously it's a sport, paddle shifters. Then this is the voice control from here. Then the dashboard, this is how it looks like. And then you have the RS drive. That is how you engage it, and it's the sports version. When you do that, even the running of the engine changes. So let us put it off. Then comes, this is the shifter. It comes with several modes. So move to reverse, neutral, drive. Then when you go this side, you are able to shift to manual. That is, you can use the paddle shifters easily, or you can change by yourself. Let me show you the other features. This is the inner looks. Comes with fabric seats. One of the things that pissing me off about this is comes with still in this edge. Let me show you what it looks like at the back. Then for this, you pop up the door like the Nissan Juke. This is the back view. So let me hop in the back here, and then let's test the seating space. Actually, the leg room is quite nice. Remember, I'm 5'9" as usual. I've not changed, but doesn't feel as comfortable as the Golf TSI or the variant and the rest. So this is the back profile. That is how it looks like. So let us pop the hood. Let us pop the trunk. So you press, then you open. Actually, this comes with a lot of space. If you compare this to the space of the Swift, Suzuki Swift, then this has more space, boot space. This is the side profile. Imagine this vehicle is only going for 2 million flat, which is actually negotiable. 2 million, which is negotiable. Let me pop the hood. Actually, for 1600cc, it's quite compact. Nakai mejaja. So this vehicle is available. So if you're interested, come on, don't shy away. Hit me up. This is a nice deal. It's a petrol engine.